Hello everybody, Legally here. Today I'm going to solve Rubik's Cube with just my index fingers. So this is just a quick challenge I've thought of, but yeah, I'm just gonna get started with this. It's pretty straightforward. Just don't touch it with any part of your hand except your fingers. So, on your marks, get set, go. Do. There we go. So 329. That wasn't that hard. It was a little bit more tedious than I expected. But now let's use another finger. Okay, so let's get it scrambled up real quick. This shouldn't take long. So I guess this is probably just gonna take a little bit longer and be a little more straining on my hands to do it with my pinkies. So let's get started. Your marks, get set, go. Yeah. Woo, sub 7. I have one word to describe that. Ow. So the tediousness of that just made it hurt a lot. Just like in my pinky. Ow. I'm gonna be sore tomorrow in my pinky fingers. So yeah, obviously that took like twice as long because my pinky fingers, I guess, aren't as strong as my index fingers. So I guess if you want to see more videos like this, definitely leave a like down below. If you want to see me using a different finger like this finger, leave a comment down below. Or maybe even my thumb. Yeah, leave a comment and suggest that for next time. And if you like this video, definitely leave a like down below. Show me that you liked it. And subscribe if you want to be notified when a future video like this comes out. Anyway, if you have any other questions or comments, you can leave comments below. I'll see you guys next time.